Hey there, Express Maintenance family. Here's a quick hot tip for you. On the service overview and the work order overview, did you know that you can have it calculate your total number of estimated labor hours so that you can sort by employee or technician and see how many labor hours based on the date range that you have given that you have assigned to them on the work orders. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, the thing you got to do is you come up here to your column header, and you want to right click and then click on footer, and that puts this footer down here. And then over here by your labor estimate, just right click down here and you can pick sum, you can pick min, max, count, average, or none. In this case I'm going to add up those labor hours, and looky there. And you can do that for any one of the columns here. If I want to do the maximum down here, notice that it pulls in the maximum number from now, and there's several applications to that. Yes, you can do that on the work order overview as well. Just come over here, right click, hit footer, go to your labor estimate, hit sum, and now if I am looking at all my work orders, and I'm going to jump ahead here a little bit just to make sure we get plenty of work orders, and I go to the technician and I'm going to select myself from this list, hit search, and let's say this is a given week. Okay, I can see that I have a total number of estimated labor hours over here. So that's just a great way to be able to include in your planning and scheduling process the number of labor estimated hours. And so obviously that would be on a lot of your preventive maintenance work groups. That labor estimate comes from right here. Okay, so these weekly offlines should have a labor estimate, and it should be categorized as planned proactive, and then preventive maintenance, and then using your class for scheduling. So hopefully that helps you. And if you guys have any other hot tips that you want to share with people, feel free to email them in at info@mass.systems, and we'd just love to hear from you. Take care.